Are you tired of juggling bulky appliances or scrubbing greasy pans after every meal? Say hello to this Gluck Air Fryer 6 Quart, a sleek, powerful, and versatile air fryer oven combo that's here to revolutionize your kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone who loves crispy fries without the guilt, this air fryer is your ticket to effortless, delicious meals. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this compact yet mighty appliance deserves a spot on your countertop, diving into its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's the perfect gift for any home cook. Solving your cooking woes. Cooking can feel like a chore when you're stuck with outdated appliances or methods that demand too much time and cleanup. The Gluck Air Fryer tackles these pain points head-on. No more greasy mess. Traditional frying leaves you with oil splattered everywhere. This air fryer uses rapid air circulation to achieve that golden, crispy texture with little to no oil. Time crunch? No problem. With a 1,500 watt heating element, it heats up fast, slashing cooking times compared to conventional ovens. Cluttered countertops. Its compact design fits snugly in small kitchens while still offering a generous 6-quart capacity for family-sized meals. Healthy eating made easy. Cut down on unhealthy fats without sacrificing flavor, making it ideal for those pursuing a healthier lifestyle. Why the Gluck Air Fryer stands out. After testing the Gluck Air Fryer in a bustling household, I can confidently say it's a game changer. Its all-metal interior, smart multifunction presets, and energy-efficient design make it a standout in the crowded air fryer market. Here's a deep dive into what makes this air fryer a must-have. Key features and benefits. Smart multifunction presets. With 8 digital presets, you can effortlessly bake, fry, reheat, or cook full meals. From crispy chicken wings to fluffy cupcakes, the temperature range, 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, handles it all. Spacious yet compact. The 6-quart square basket fits enough food for 4 to 6 people, perfect for family dinners or meal prep. Despite its capacity, it's designed to save counter space, making it ideal for small apartments or cozy kitchens. Energy-saving powerhouse. The 1,500 watt heating element ensures quick heating while using less energy than a traditional oven. Save on electricity bills while whipping up quick, delicious meals. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Pro tip: line the basket with parchment paper for even less scrubbing. Built to last. The all-metal interior adds durability, ensuring this air fryer withstands years of use. Plus, it's ETL certified for safety, giving you peace of mind. Extended warranty. Gluck offers a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. Who's it for? Busy families. Feed 4 to 6 people with ease, from quick snacks to full holiday feasts. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with up to 85% less oil, supporting a healthier lifestyle. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint is a godsend for apartments or dorms. Gift givers. With its sleek design and versatility, it's an ideal Christmas or housewarming gift. Why choose Gluck over competitors? The air fryer market is packed with options, but the Gluck Air Fryer shines for its balance of power, size, and ease of use. Unlike budget models with plastic interiors, its all-metal construction feels premium and durable. Compared to bulkier brands like Ninja or Cosori, its compact design is a lifesaver for small kitchens. Plus, the combination of smart presets, energy efficiency, and dishwasher-safe parts gives it an edge over pricier competitors. These tips not only enhance your cooking, but also align with popular search terms like air fryer recipes and how to use an air fryer, boosting discoverability for this review. The perfect holiday gift. With the holiday season approaching, the Gluck Air Fryer 6 Quart makes an unforgettable gift. Its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and ability to whip up crowd-pleasing meals will delight any home cook. Whether it's for a newlywed couple, a college student, or your foodie best friend, this air fryer is a thoughtful, practical present that keeps on giving. Final verdict: a kitchen essential. The Gluck Air Fryer. 6 Quart isn't just another appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Its compact size, powerful performance, and easy cleanup make it a joy to use, while its health-focused cooking method lets you indulge guilt-free. From weeknight dinners to holiday feasts, this air fryer delivers versatility, efficiency, and flavor in spades. If you're ready to simplify your cooking, save time, and enjoy delicious, healthier meals, this is the air fryer for you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.